ClickFunnels is one of the most powerful tools for marketers, entrepreneurs, and business owners. But today, we're going beyond the basic tutorials and sales pitches. In this video, I'm going to expose ClickFunnels secrets that no one talks about. The hidden features, insider tricks, and strategies that can give you a serious edge. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Pre-sale pages work better than opt-in pages. Most people jump straight into building opt-in funnels. But what the pros do is add a pre-sale page, a simple content-style page that builds trust and frames the offer before asking for the email. Why it works? Because people don't like giving their info unless they see the value first. Secret number 2, ClickFunnels isn't just for sales funnels. It's called ClickFunnels. But guess what? You can also build full websites, membership portals, lead generation machines, automated webinar funnels, product launch sequences. You're not just getting a funnel tool, you're getting an all-in-one marketing system if you use it right. Secret number 3, the power of funnel cloning. Want to move fast? You can clone any funnel in your account and even import other people's funnels using share funnel URLs. This is how marketers build multiple funnels in record time, by duplicating winning structures and simply swapping the content. Secret number 4, use Backpack for affiliate management. Most beginners overlook this. But if you're on the ClickFunnels Platinum plan, you get access to Backpack, their built-in affiliate management system. This means you can launch your own affiliate program, manage payouts, track referrals, build your own sales army. No third-party software needed. Secret number 5, custom domains unlock more trust and conversions. By default, ClickFunnels gives you a branded subdomain. But if you want real results, connect your custom domain. It makes your brand look more legit, builds trust with cold traffic, and increases conversions. It's a small step most beginners skip, but it makes a big difference. Secret number 6, hidden split testing feature. Most users don't realize that ClickFunnels lets you A/B split test every funnel step. From landing pages to order forms, you can test different headlines, images, button colors, entire layouts. And here's the kicker. It shows the winning variation automatically over time. Secret number 7, use dynamic text replacement. This one's for the pros. ClickFunnels lets you use dynamic text replacement to personalize your pages. Imagine this, a visitor sees their name or location inside your headline. That kind of personalization can skyrocket your conversions, and hardly anyone uses it. Secret number 8, you can build a funnel once and sell it forever. ClickFunnels isn't just a tool to build your own business. You can build high-converting funnels and sell them as templates or include them as bonuses for affiliate offers. Some marketers make a full-time income just offering done-for-you funnels. Secret number 9, use follow-up funnels like a pro. Yes, ClickFunnels can send emails too. But most people never set up follow-up funnels, their built-in email marketing system. You can automate lead nurturing, sales sequences, abandoned cart reminders, webinar follow-ups, and more. Set it up once and let it work 24/7 behind the scenes. Secret number 10, ClickFunnels support is more helpful than you think. If you're stuck, don't waste hours searching forums. ClickFunnels has live chat support and an active user base in Facebook groups. Most users are surprised at how responsive the support team actually is, especially if you're on a paid plan. So those are the ClickFunnels secrets most people won't tell you about. Pre-sale pages convert better. It's more than just a funnel builder. You can clone funnels and use share URLs. Backpack lets you run an affiliate program. Custom domains boost trust. Split testing is built in. Dynamic text makes your funnel feel personal. Funnels can be sold as digital assets. Follow-up funnels equals automated profit. The support team is more helpful than you think. Now that you know what's really possible with ClickFunnels, you're no longer a beginner. You're one step ahead of the game. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite ClickFunnels secret? Want my free funnel template pack? Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and keep building smarter funnels.